What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod back with another video, and today I got another trip to the thrift for you guys. And today is pretty random because I just planned on going to the grocery store, but like I told you guys before, I'm literally addicted to this. So let's hop in this Goodwill and see what I can sell on eBay and on Poshmark. And without further ado, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so as usual I hit the men's section first, and the first piece I came across was this G-Star raw denim jacket. And I usually only sell their jeans. I usually don't sell too many like sweaters or jackets from this brand, but this jacket was super dope in my opinion. If it was my size, you know I would have kept it, but it was a size small, so it was a little too small. And y'all already know I tried it on in the store. I had to give it a shot. But even with that minor stain on the inside, I guarantee I can get that out. And this would probably sell for maybe 70 to 80 bucks once fourth quarter rolls around, when the weather starts to cool down a little bit. Here I came across this Bob Marley hoodie, and I'm a huge Bob Marley fan, but honestly this isn't something that I would sell in my eBay or Poshmark closet, but since I'm a fan I had to put it on camera. Next I came across this Nike dry fit pullover, and this is something I would usually get for the personal collection because I don't like to buy Nike or Adidas stuff outside of the thrift store, because as you guys know, this stuff is super expensive and I wear this stuff to the gym every day. So if I was to spend my hard-earned money on this, that would be ridiculous. Next I came across this vintage G-Unit track jacket. Stuff like this, believe it or not, still sells on eBay. As you guys know, I sold a pair of G-Unit sneakers maybe a couple months ago for like 120 bucks. So something like this I would still pick up. It might sit for a while, but it would still sell for a decent amount of profit. Next is this Rip Zone snowboarding jacket, and I haven't came across this brand in the past, but I tell you guys all the time, I'm picking up winter stuff now because I'd rather spend $9 now and make 50 or 60 bucks later. And you know, it's just smart business for me. And here's another one. This is actually from Burton, and this one sells for a little more profit, so I'm definitely going to scoop this one up as well. This is super clean. This might never have been worn, but I'm going to go ahead and pick this one up too, just because I know Burton jackets would sell maybe 80 bucks, maybe a little more, because like I said, it's super clean. And next, this was a crazy find. This was actually brand new with tags, so I was glad to come across this pair of Prana pants, and I just had to show you guys all the details because Prana is a good brand to be on the lookout for. I don't sell it often, but I mean, whenever I find it, I usually do pick it up because it's a pretty good brand that'll sell for a decent amount of profit. And the best thing about this find is the fact that there were 4 other pair of Prana pants here. This one was also in really good condition, so I scooped this one up as well. I just had to make sure there were no stains or any holes, because with hiking pants there usually are some flaws with these. And here was the other pair of pants, but unfortunately this one did have some stains on here. And with this type of fabric, sometimes I've realized I'll pick it up with stains and I'll try to wash it, but certain stains just don't come out. So I didn't even want to risk it with this pair of pants, especially since there were 3 other really good clean ones. So I just put this one back on the rack, and then boom, we found another pair in another color. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scoop these 3. They were all the same size. Some people would say if I would bundle them, if I would make more money, but I don't mind, you know, taking the steps, listing all of them individually and making maybe $5 or $10 more by listing them all individually. That's just how I like to go about it. Next is this Adidas pair of pants, and this is weird because this is my size as well, but I'm trying not to just buy a bunch of stuff for me. These Adidas pants will probably sell for maybe 20-25 bucks on Poshmark. They're a slimmer tapered fit, so this is the type of pants that people are looking for, so I'm gonna definitely go ahead and pick this up. Next, this was a crazy find. This is the find of the day for me because I'm always looking for more storage supplies, and here I found 2 storage shelves just for my inventory. You can put loose items on here, you can put bins on here, whatever it is. My garage is full of these, and I'm gonna grab both of those up. And here is a pair of boots. I know cowboy boots, especially for women in this condition, will sell very quickly, from my experience. And I don't even know the brand, but I'm pretty sure they're worth something since Goodwill priced them for so much money. And like I said before, Goodwill prices are going up in my area. But at the end of the day, I still got to make it do what it do. So I'm going to go ahead and use a coupon for these boots, and I'm still going to pick it up. Alright, y'all, as you guys can see, that was definitely a super successful trip to the thrift. So I'm about to just empty out my car and try to get these things listed as soon as possible so I don't accumulate another huge death pile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Underrated. This lightning's causing thunder lately. So lend a heart with no repayment. My interest rate is lower, ain't it? Decide to auction off a bid.